My name is Wesley.
So I'm gonna ask you, would you rather questions?
Yeah.
Would you rather have a loyal girlfriend who isn't your type, or your dream girl who is toxic? Yani dem kila siku ni kesi, kila siku ni vurugu. Type yako ngani?
I'd rather have the toxic one than have the one that's not my type.
Hey, hautaki peace?
Mr. Peace me. Napenda vurugu tu.
Ay.
Kabisa vurugu.
Hey. Are you saying that? Would you rather have love without money or money without love?
I'd rather have love without. I'd rather have money without love. Because I can buy love with the money, you know.
You can buy love.
Yeah. If you just buy love, you know.
Aya.
Yeah, nanunua mapenzi usikie.
Hakuna haja uende uteseke.
Siwezi teseka ati na mapenzi.
Na mapenzi au mtakula mapenzi?
Hatuwezi kula mapenzi. I want to have the money without the love, man.
Hey, sawa. Thank you for your time.
Okay.